Most people believe they need a huge salary to become wealthy. They think the answer is getting a six-figure job, winning the lottery, inheriting money, or launching the next billion-dollar company. But here's the truth. Many people earning high incomes still struggle financially, while others earning average salaries quietly build impressive wealth. So what's the secret? The formula is surprisingly simple. Earn, keep, invest, repeat. That may sound too easy, but almost every wealthy person follows some version of this formula. The problem is that most people stop after the first step. They focus only on earning more money while ignoring everything else. Today, we're going to break down the exact mindset and strategies that can help you build real wealth, even if you have a normal salary. Step 1. Learn the language of money. Imagine trying to win a game without knowing the rules. That's what most people do with money. Schools teach us many things, but very few teach us how money actually works. As a result, people spend years working hard without understanding basic financial concepts. The first step toward wealth is becoming financially educated. You don't need a finance degree. You just need to understand a few important ideas. Learn how credit works. Learn the difference between assets and liabilities. Learn how investing works. Learn why inflation slowly reduces the value of money sitting in a bank account. The more you understand money, the better decisions you'll make. Think of money as a language. The people who speak it well usually get more of it. Step 2. Stop looking rich. One of the biggest mistakes people make is spending money to impress others. They buy expensive clothes. They finance luxury cars. They upgrade phones every year. They spend money they don't have to create an image they can't afford. The wealthy often do the opposite. They focus on building wealth instead of displaying wealth. Here's a powerful question. Would you rather look rich for 5 years or actually be rich for the rest of your life? Every dollar spent trying to impress people is a dollar that can't be invested. Real wealth is usually quiet. Debt is often loud. The people showing off the most aren't always the wealthiest. Many are simply borrowing money to maintain an appearance. Instead of asking, "How can I look successful?" ask, "How can I become financially free?" That one shift can change everything. Step 3. Use your salary as a wealth-building tool. Many people treat their paycheck as something to spend. Wealthy people treat it as a tool. Your salary is not the destination, it's the fuel. The goal isn't to spend every dollar you earn. The goal is to use part of that income to buy assets that can grow over time. This is why keeping your job while building wealth is often a smart move. Your job provides stability. It pays the bills. It allows you to invest consistently. Too many people quit stable jobs too early, chasing business dreams. A better approach is often to build a side project while keeping your income source. That reduces pressure and allows you to make better decisions. Your salary can become the engine that funds your future freedom. Step 4. Pay yourself first. Here's one habit almost every wealthy person shares. They pay themselves first. Most people do this. Pay bills, pay rent, buy groceries, spend on entertainment, then save whatever is left. Usually, nothing is left. Wealthy people reverse the process. They invest first. Then they live on the remainder. Even if it's only 10% of your income, start somewhere. The amount matters less than the consistency. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't decide every day whether you're going to do it. It's automatic. Investing should work the same way. Set up automatic transfers. Remove emotion from the process. Make investing a habit instead of a decision. Step 5. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Many people underestimate the power of time. They want quick results, fast money, instant success. But wealth usually grows slowly before it grows quickly. Compounding is one of the most powerful forces in finance. Money earns returns. Those returns earn returns. Then those returns earn even more returns. Year after year, the growth accelerates. That's why starting early matters so much. Even small amounts invested consistently can become significant over decades. The key is patience. The people who become wealthy aren't always the smartest. Often, they're simply the people who stay in the game the longest. Step 6. Become a problem solver. Here's a lesson that applies whether you're an employee, entrepreneur, or even a student. Money flows toward solutions. The bigger the problem you solve, the more valuable you become. Think about it. Every successful business exists because it solves a problem. Every promotion happens because someone made life easier for their company. Every successful entrepreneur found a problem people were willing to pay to fix. Start paying attention to the problems around you. What frustrates customers? What slows down your team? What tasks waste time? Most people notice these issues and complain about them. Very few people take action and look for solutions. That's why problem solvers stand out. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I do about it?" That simple shift changes everything. The people who earn more money aren't always the smartest or the most talented. They're often the people who consistently solve problems that others avoid. The more problems you can solve, the more opportunities, promotions, and income will naturally come your way. Step 7. Focus on value, not hours. Many people believe the path to wealth is simply working longer hours. While hard work is important, hard work alone is not enough. If working the most hours automatically made people rich, then every construction worker, farmer, and factory worker would be a millionaire. The reality is that wealth comes from creating value, not just spending time. Think about two employees. One works 10 hours a day doing routine tasks. Another spends 6 hours creating solutions that save the company thousands of dollars. Who is more valuable? Usually, it's the person creating the bigger impact. That's because businesses reward results, not just effort. The goal should be to increase your value over time. Learn new skills. Improve your communication. Become better at leadership. Understand technology. Learn how to solve bigger and more important problems. The marketplace pays people based on the value they create, not the number of hours they sit at a desk. Focus on becoming more useful, more knowledgeable, and more effective. When your value grows, your income often follows naturally. Step 8. Invest in yourself first. Before investing large amounts of money into stocks, businesses, or real estate, invest in yourself. Your knowledge, skills, and experience are assets that can continue paying you for the rest of your life. Learning a valuable skill can increase your income for years. A great book can change how you think, while a useful course can open new opportunities. A mentor can help you avoid costly mistakes and reach your goals faster. Markets may rise and fall, and businesses may succeed or fail, but the skills you gain stays with you forever. The more you learn, the more valuable you become, and nobody can take that away. The real secret to wealth. So what's the real formula? It's not a magic stock. It's not a secret cryptocurrency. It's not some hidden trick only millionaires know. The formula is simple. Earn money. Spend less than you earn. Invest the difference. Keep doing it for years. That's it. Simple doesn't mean easy, but it works. The people who become wealthy aren't necessarily earning the highest salaries. They're often the people who consistently follow the process while everyone else searches for shortcuts. Wealth isn't built in a weekend. It's built through thousands of smart decisions made over time. If you remember just one thing from this video, remember this. Your salary doesn't determine your future nearly as much as what you do with that salary. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need perfect timing. And you don't need $1 million income. You need a plan, consistency, and the patience to let time work in your favor. Start learning, start investing, start solving problems, and most importantly, start today. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video on building wealth, improving your finances, and creating a better future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.